This is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
Meanwhile, the African Development Bank has mobilized a loan of 180 million euros in favor of Tunisia to finance the program to support the response to COVID-19 through social inclusion and employment. The program is called Paris, and Paris's immediate objective is to strengthen the country's health response and to mitigate the socio-economic impact of the crisis.
The funds approved by the Board of Directors of the African Development Bank will support the North African state's effort against COVID-19. In addition, it will help Tunisian authorities to cope with the economic and social consequences of this unprecedented sanitary crisis.
The African Development Bank is helping Tunisia at a critical stage. The country has many economic and social problems. The African dimension of this loan is important. It shows the solidarity of African lenders with the countries facing the negative repercussions of the crisis.
Moreover, a considerable sum will be transferred to the Ministry of Social Affairs. It will provide social coverage and immediate assistance for more than 2 million vulnerable individuals, including 140,000 low-income pensioners.
Women and children, as well as low-income pensioners and vulnerable families and businesses, need this direct financial assistance because they have been suffering for 3 months. However, the state needs to mobilize more resources because the extent of the economic and social damage is catastrophic.
The Tunisian parliament has approved the 180 million euro fund, as well as the government support to the vulnerable population. The cabinet of Elias El-Farfar has granted an exceptional allowance to 623,000 families with limited income, 350,000 private sector employees affected by the crisis, and 10,000 workers who lost their jobs.
The partnership between Tunisia and the African Development Bank has been going on for almost 50 years, covering different sectors, including health, human development, energy, water, transport, agriculture, and the financial sector. The new loan strengthens this partnership.
The African Development Bank program will also enable 230,000 small farmers, more than 320,000 employees, and around 50,000 self-employed workers and artisans to keep their jobs. The mobilized funds will help save 400 Tunisian exporting enterprises and 250,000 private businesses from bankruptcy. It will also enhance early detection through the use of rapid screening tests for more than 450,000 people. Abdel Shawishi, CGTN, Tunis.